All right, you're watching this video if you want to know how to get started on either your podcast or the video. So I'm doing kind of a two-in-one video here because both of these require you using the program called WeVideo. So to get started on your podcast or video, first make sure you finish your project outline and that the teacher talking Kugler, has checked it. So the podcast outline looks like this, the video one looks like this. So first things first is you have to go to the portal and log in. So then once you've logged into the portal, WeVideo is in the portal. Now where it is for me versus where it is for you may be a little bit different. I think for me it's under resources and there it is right there. So it's probably the same for you. And then you click WeVideo and then it will automatically log you in because you all have an account. So your homepage will look something like this. If you've ever made a video in WeVideo before, you'll have this thing that says recent edits. If you haven't, it will be blank. But basically, all you need to know is for this video is how to get started. If you're making a video, that's right, you're going to click right here where it says video. If you're making a podcast, which is what some of you are doing, you're going to click podcast. So if I click podcast, it's then going to say, do I want to save it to this project? Maybe it will say that for you. Maybe it won't. It doesn't matter at this point. You could just click next. And then it will say, get close to the mic and click record. Okay. Now, with that said, I don't recommend you recording right away. So go ahead and do the little X. I just want to show you what it looks like. So this is where you have your tracks. Now for the podcast, all you're doing are audio tracks. So you don't really have to worry about the video track, but this is the audio track and this is the video track. So to record yourself, there's this record button, but you're actually going to click the button that says narrate because you're just recording your voice. Record is if you're going to record your screen. So I just want to make sure that's clear. So for podcast, it's just narrate. Okay. And then you would click record. If you're using a mic, I recommend that versus just talking to your computer. Click record, and then you would start recording. So once you are recording, it's going to record you talking. You'll click stop when you want to stop. And if you want to just play to see what you sounded like, you can click play. If you want to save it, you actually have to click save there. And then you can go back in and you can make edits and things like that. I'm going to show you how to do that on further videos. The point of this is just to show you how to get started. So once again, if I go to WeVideo, podcast, I click there. Video, I click here. So if I wanted to make a video, again, it's going to ask me if I want to put it in a project. And then you have multiple video tracks and audio tracks. So for video, you have to decide with your partner, or if you're doing it on your own, are we just going to record our screen? Like, am I going to make a slideshow someplace else and record my screen? Or am I actually going to use what's in WeVideo, the stock media that's in WeVideo, and pull down images that's in WeVideo, use the text features that are in WeVideo, and then use that to make my video. Okay? You get to choose. I recommend using the features that are in WeVideo. It's a bit more fun. And you're also going to choose, am I going to, on my media, am I going to also do voiceover? Am I going to narrate on top of my video? Or am I just going to have text appear at the bottom of your screen? If you want to just have it be basically like a closed captioning, like subtitles in text, and then static, this one right here, that's subtitle, and you would add that on top, but then you could double click and type things in, click save, you would have subtitles there. So if you're not going to speak because you don't want to record your voice, you can do subtitles and that's fine. Or just big text if you don't want it to be subtitles. You guys get to choose. So I will make further videos about how to do specific things for podcasting and video. This was just a general quick video on how to even get started.